Take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. For this meditation, I suggest you sit with a straight back or lie down. You can close your eyes or you can watch the beautiful images in front of you. Or perhaps a mixture of both. Take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw relax, your eyes grow heavy. You've made it here, right now. There's nothing to do, nowhere to go. Just breathe. Let's begin together, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each breath, imagine your body growing heavier, more grounded. Feel the support beneath you. Let it hold you completely. If any thoughts or worries float up, that's okay. Notice them and let them drift away like clouds. Bring your attention back to your breath, the gentle rise and fall. Try making your exhale just a little longer than your inhale. That's where the calm begins. Again, breathe in deeply. Hold and exhale, releasing tension, releasing noise. Each inhale brings calm, each exhale brings release. As your breathing settles, notice the quiet that begins to open inside you. That's the present moment. Still, simple, peaceful. If your thoughts try to pull you away, just smile at them and come back. Back to your breath. Back to this moment. Breathe in calm. Breathe out gratitude. Now take one last deep breath in and let it go completely. Let your awareness gently return to the world around you. The sounds, the light, the feeling of where you sit or lie. Carry this stillness with you through the rest of your day. Thank you for being here and for giving yourself these moments of peace.